So when I opened it up, this is where I arrived. I want to create a new team, so I'm going to press the little Teams icon with the 3 people in it. And I'm going to the far right, Join or Create a Team. Create a team. Okay, I'm going to create a class, just for fun. So I've created a new team. Students, I'm going to put an old student in. So I've added a student. Okay, so there's my team on the left, just for fun. Okay, set up class notebook. So this is what I want to do. I want to set up a class notebook. From existing content. So I've got a choice there from existing content. I like the look of all that. Collaboration space, content library, teacher only section. Say next. Add content. I don't want to add content right now. I will do that later. Okay, it's going to look like this. I don't want handouts. I'm going to call it worksheets. I'm going to get rid of quizzes. I'm going to call it other. Okay. Let's create. So they're getting ready with my class notebook. That'll take a little time. Ah, it's arrived. Okay, it's quicker than I expected. Must be the time of day. So I'm going to click on the little stack of books on the left here to see a little stack of books. Right. So, there's my student, Marcus. Marcus has nothing in these spaces currently. Nothing in homework, nothing in worksheets, nothing in class notes. That's because I've put nothing there. Okay. Content. Now. Content. Actually, the first thing I want to do to content is, let's say, biology. There's biology. Oh, that's in the wrong place. I wanted it up there. So let's delete that. Okay, let's go back to content. There we go. Now add a section. Biology. Why is it doing that? How very interesting. Delete permanently. Go into content. Content. A bit. Yeah. Add a section. Try again. Biology. Results. Let's add some more content. Chemistry. Great. So within the content I've got 2 spaces, biology and chemistry. I'm going to get rid of this using content. I don't need that. So let's put something in biology. So I've clicked on biology. I've clicked in this space here. And we go insert. Insert file printout. Choose a file from my system. Okay, so I've chosen a file. Growing from an egg. Key stage 2 activity. So, growing from an egg. Okay, so I've set that up. So I created a class, I created a class notebook, and then in the column, and then I added a student. Then I went to the content library, I added a biology section and I added a chemistry section, and then in biology I added a page and I downloaded something from my computer. That's the basic setup. Things I haven't explored are homework. If I put homework in there, my assumption is they can write on it. Now, whiteboard. Two possibilities, or three possibilities. I'm interested in one. So I'm going to add a page in the collaboration space. There you go, I've added a page. And I'm going to call it whiteboard. There you go. I've now created a space called whiteboard. On the menu above there's a little drawer there, and I can draw in here. Now, I've checked it out, so can the students draw in here, so we can both draw in here together. Content library, add a section, whiteboard. Okay, I've added a section called whiteboard. I'll call that whiteboard 1. Whiteboard 1. So I can draw in this. So I've got two potential whiteboard spaces. One I can use for collaboration and one I don't. So a team called Just for Fun. Click on my team, click on Class Notebook. Up comes Welcome to Class Notebook. And then I have my different spaces. Collaboration space, content space, and one of my students. Currently no work in the students. I can of course go to Notebook, Class Notebook on the lower menu, and I can then select something from the content. Okay, it's growing from an egg, so I've clicked on open that page, and then I can distribute that to the student that is in here. I'll stick it in worksheets. That will shortly appear in here. Oh, it's appeared already. So this student now has that worksheet in their space, which they can write on. And you can write on as well.